So start po tayo sa pag-define what is MVC. So mayroon po akong research dito na galing sa internet. So I don't really know what the literal meaning, so I just go to the internet. So MVC. So the Model View Controller Architecture is a design pattern that separates an application into three main concepts: the model, the view, and the controller. So define muna natin. Okay. So MVC architecture separates an application into three components, which is the model, the view, and the controller. To manage code more efficiency and easier route for HTTP requests. So, in my own understanding, para po siyang programming paradigm na mas pinapadali yung pag-access ng mga HTTP requests or anything that we need on creating a web app or web application or website using Laravel. So, yun ako. So, hello everyone. My name is Ronnie DSP. So, ito po yung tutorial paano install yung Laravel. Okay, so first is open muna tayo ng browser. Then, punta tayo sa Laravel documentation or Laravel download. Then yung latest or yung pinakaunang file or link, open natin. So, sabi dito is Laravel utilizes Composer to manage dependencies. First, download a copy of Composer. So, ito-download po muna daw natin si Composer. Composer DL or download. So, click lang po natin itong pinakaunang link. And then, ito pong Composer setup.exe. Yan po yung i-click natin. Then, after clicking po yan, magda-download na po yan. Then after po mag-download yan is install nyo na lang kasi naka-install na siya sa akin. So, check ko na lang sa command prompt. So, command prompt. So, check ko na lang po yung version ng Composer ko. So, version. Ito show na naka-install na siya sa akin. So, andito po. Composer version 2.7.8. Then, sa example natin is may package na siya na PHP or included na yung PHP. So, I don't need to download anymore the PHP. So, balik po tayo. Okay. So, after downloading that, download na po natin si Laravel. So, balik tayo ngayon kay installation. Okay. First, download the Laravel installer using Composer. So, i-copy lang po natin to. Composer global required, copy. Then, bumalik po tayo sa terminal or sa command prompt. Then, paste po natin siya. Then, alisin lang po natin itong then, to install the Laravel. So, pagka-click po natin, mag-install na po si Laravel. So, nothing to modify lock file, nothing to install or update or remove. So, it means po niyan is installed na po si Laravel sa akin, kaya po ganyan. So, pag sa inyo po is hindi nyo pa install, so mabilis lang naman po yun. So, yun. So, after installing the Laravel, we can check the version of the installed Laravel. So, just simply Laravel, then -b or hyphen version, pwede rin. Okay. So, yun po, Laravel installer 5.8.3. So, after nyan is click tayo sa may Visual Code Studio. Okay, so dito po is may nakita po ko kanina. So, just gonna create ng bago. So, Ctrl-KO. Sa may dashboard na po tayo ng htdocs dahil sa bagong update. So, just simply new folder, let's say SIA-3, small letter na lang para sa compatible. SIA-3A. Ayan. So, select folder pa natin yan. Okay, so as you can see, yung SIA-3A natin is wala pang default folders or codes galing sa Laravel. So, we need to create muna ng database sa may localhost. So, simply, isim na lang po natin ng pangalan sa may folder natin para mas mabilis yung access. SIA-3A. So, create. Kahit huwag na muna yung keyboard. Ay! So, gawa ko tayo ulit. SIA, 3A, then, okay, so may database na po tayo. SIA 3A. Okay. So, balik po tayo sa Visual Code Studio. Okay. Dito na lang. Okay, so, after, punta po tayo sa terminal, then you click yung new. And then, let's say, Laravel new. So, mag-create po tayo dito ng database. But, exists na si database na gagawin natin, which is yung SIA-3A. So, click enter. So, would you like to install installer kit? Yes or no? So, starter kit. Nan muna po tayo kasi beginner. So, which testing format do you want to prepare? 0, yes. Would you like to create a repository? Say yes. Wait lang po natin kasi is anyone but you? Never let me down, turn I fall. As you stay, I fight to be with you through the years. For all the good and bad, life to make it. Okay. So, which database will your application use? So, MySQL yung preferred. Yung preferred ni sir. And enter, would you like to update? Would you like to run a default database migration? So, importante po to. So, just say yes. Migration para hindi na po tayo mag-create ng mga default na table. Or, basta ganun. Okay. So, wait lang po natin. Okay, so nagda-download na siya. Also, so, wait lang po natin siya tagal. Ang tagal. So, then na po. Then, already exists. So, after that, na-download na po yung mga default application dito sa may SIA3A, which is itong mga ito po, mga default folders and code ni Laravel. So, si dito application ready is you can start your local development using. Okay, so, mag-change direction po tayo, which is yung recommended, SIA3A. Then, yan. Tapos, PHP Artisan, PHP Artisan Server. Click po natin to para makuha natin yung sarili nating server ng Laravel. So, click lang po ito. Yun. So, click lang po natin to para open po natin yung sarili nating server ng Laravel. So, just control click lang po to para mag-open na po siya dito. So, ito. So, meron na po tayong sariling server ng Laravel or application ng Laravel. So, now, gagawa tayo ng something like Blade. Wait lang. Something like Blade. Check ko lang po yung activity namin kung ano yung gagawin namin. Can't remember when I didn't care anyone but you. So, video architecture, define the main control describer, show to create a root. So, mag-create po tayo ng root, custom root controller, and a Blade template. So, medyo mahirap. So, balik tayo dito. So, balik tayo sa codes natin, then roots, then whip up. So, dito po yung mga roots natin, or dito ilalagay yung mga roots natin. Then sa my resource, views, then, okay, dito po yung makikita sa my screen. So, mag-create po tayo ng yung, let's say, SIA. Save natin as SIA.blade.php. Yan. Save natin. So, nandito na po yung index or yung file natin or yung file na makikita sa screen. So, let's say HTML5. Oops. HTML5. Then, create lang po tayo dito ng local h1. H1. Okay. RONNIE. Ligaskin SIA3A. Yung so, H. Plus natin si heading 1. Okay. So, after creating po this, balik po tayo sa my web.php under ng router. So, ika-copy lang natin to for yung roots para mas mabilis. Naroon na ako. Oops. So, Control D. So, ang papalitan lang po natin is ito. No. Let's say, itong Rooney Ligaspi is IA318 kasi ito yung makikita. So, balik tayo dito. So, Control B. So, kung ano po yung name natin sa may views, which is this IA, outloaded yung Blade sa PHP. So, lalagay ko lang po natin dito si SIA, then Control S, as save. Balik tayo dito. Then, sa sarili po nating server, basta na yun to. We can put that as /, then yung name ng natin, file natin, which is Okay, then click enter. Then wait a minute. Your niligas is IVA not found. Okay. Balik tayo doon. So it must be SIA din yung ilalagay natin sa my view mismo. Okay, so SIA, then save. Then refresh natin. There you go. Yun lang po. Thank you.